Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to nurture mortgage leads with Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So I have a mortgage finance company where I provide loans which are secured by real estate property. Now I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page to promote my business. So my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new lead for my mortgage finance company through Facebook lead ads, then automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead so that I can connect with my leads further. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect works on two principles, trigger and action. So in trigger, we are going to take Facebook lead ads, and in action, I'm going to take WhatsApp Cloud API through which I'm going to send template message to all my leads on WhatsApp. And we are going to set up a connection between these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to our Facebook leads for mortgage finance company. So I'm running a company which provides loans to the needful people on the basis of real estate property. That means the loans are secured by real estate property. So I'm running an ad campaign to promote my business by using Facebook lead ads. Okay, so I'm running an ad on my Facebook page, and now my objective is that whenever a lead will be generated by submitting the form which I have created for lead generation with the help of Facebook lead ads, then I want to connect with that lead through WhatsApp. Basically, I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to all the leads. Okay, so I'm going to create an automation for this process by setting up a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So I'm going to use Pabbly Connect for this automation, which helps us to connect multiple applications without any coding or programming skills to automate our task. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. This is the all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created. And we can also create different folders over here to save our workflows accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, we can click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, we can see that a dialog box will appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Nurture mortgage leads with Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So basically my objective is to connect these two applications in order to nurture my leads which I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads. Okay, so after giving this name here, I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow, which is Facebook lead ads marketing automations. Now I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, we can see the two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts or the principles. Basically, these are the two main building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So the action is the response towards our trigger, and the trigger commands the entire workflow. So we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions. Okay. So now let's suppose we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and WhatsApp Cloud API through which we are going to send template message to all our leads on WhatsApp in our action. And we want that whenever we are going to receive a new lead for mortgage finance company, then automatically WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead in the customized format. So here we can clearly see that the action is following what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is generated from Facebook lead ads, then only a WhatsApp message will be sent to the lead, otherwise not. So after understanding this concept, let's start creating the workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application, and that is Facebook lead ads. So after selecting the application, our trigger event will be new lead instant. So trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. So new lead instant will be our trigger event, because we want that whenever a lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, then instantly the response of that lead should be captured over here, and with that response instantly the workflow should get triggered. So let's click on connect. Now, to build a new connection with Facebook lead ads, I'm going to go with add new connection. But if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. But before making this connection, you have to make sure that your Facebook account is already logged in, okay, and your page is also open. Okay. So now after clicking on add new connection, we have to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And now we have to select our account. So because I was already logged in, so the account is detected, and here we can see that our authorization has become successful. So now we will move forward. After setting up the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, it is asking us for two details, page and the lead gen form. So first of all, we have to select the Facebook page by using which we are running our ad campaign. So I'm going to take you back towards my Facebook account, and you can see that this is my Facebook page with a name as Easy Mortgage. So Easy Mortgage is the name of my mortgage finance company. So I'm going to go back. Here we can see that the page is already selected. You can select your page from the drop down as well. Now we have to select the lead gen form. So by using which form you want to generate the leads, you also have to select that. So I've already created multiple forms. I'm going to select one of them. So when I'm going to select the drop down list, here is my form, lead contact form. So I'm going to select this form. In the same manner, you have to select the form which you have created. And now we are going to click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By submitting this form. So because currently I'm not running any live campaign on my Facebook page, therefore I could not receive the response of a real lead over here. Therefore, in order to show you how the response works and how the connection works, I'm going to submit a test lead form so that the response of that test lead could be captured and the integration could be checked. So I'm going to take you towards Meta for Developers for that, and here we have to go towards more section. Now here we can find the option of tools, and it is developer tools. So when we will scroll down under other developers tools, here is the option of lead ads RTO debug tool. So we will select that. So it has redirected us towards lead ads testing tool. So with the help of this tool, we are going to basically test our integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So when we will submit the form over here, automatically the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect, and this will be the test response because I'm not running any live campaign. But in your case, when you will be running a live campaign, and once you will set up this connection, okay, whenever a form will be submitted by a real lead, automatically the response of that real lead will be captured in Pabbly Connect. But you can also use this tool to test your integration. Now we are going to select our page and the form, and we can see that it is already selected. Now we have to click on this preview form button to open the form and submit this. But before that, I'm going to tell you one more thing, that you can create one lead per form. So if you are using any existing form, then you have to first of all delete an existing lead with that form, and then you can create a new test lead. So here, because this is my new form which I've recently created, therefore I'm directly going to click on preview form. This is the contact form through which I'm going to connect with my leads, okay, for my mortgage lending company. So I've already added the description as well in the form, that for what reason I have created this form, what kind of services we provide, and what are our specializations, so that the lead could read the information and then accordingly they can submit their details. Now when I'm going to receive the details, I'm going to use it in order to connect with my lead, okay, for sending them WhatsApp message. So first of all, let me do the test summation, and because I'm doing a test summation, therefore I'm going to enter all the dummy details. So let's start with the email. Let's say the email of this lead who is submitting the form is smartlead4@pabblytudes.com. Now the turn is of full name, so I'm going to enter the name as, let's say, smartlead, and a random phone number over here. So I'm going to click on continue, and the form is submitted. So after submitting this form, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we will wait for a few seconds. And here we can see that we have received the response. In the response, we have received all the details. This is the email of the lead, this is the full name, and this is the phone number. This means that our connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now whenever a lead will be generated by submitting the form, the response will be captured. Now our objective is to send a WhatsApp message to the lead which is generated. Therefore, we have to set up a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So if you are using any other application, you can also connect that application over here for sending template messages on WhatsApp. But because WhatsApp Cloud API has official API access of WhatsApp, so I'm going to use that. Now I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. So we have to select the action event as well. That will be send template message. Let's click on connect. From the given options, now I'm going to go with add new connection to build a new connection with WhatsApp Cloud API account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. But to create a new connection, we have to enter three details: token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So from where we are going to find all these details? First of all, for that, we have to set up our WhatsApp Cloud API account. And after doing that, we will find all these details under Meta for Developers. So now I'm going to take you back towards Meta for Developers. And this is the app dashboard of WhatsApp Cloud API under Meta for Developers. From the left side, we can find the option of API setup. And if you want to learn the full API setup of WhatsApp Cloud API, then you can also watch the video on our channel. So these are the details which we require. So first of all, let's copy the phone number ID from here and we will paste it over here. Now the next is WhatsApp business account ID. And at last, we have to copy the temporary access token and we will paste the token over here. Done. In the same manner, you have to find all the details and paste it over here. Now let's click on save. And we can see that WhatsApp Cloud API account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move forward. Here we have to enter the details in these fields to send the message. First of all, we have to select the template name. So basically, I'm going to use a template for sending messages to all the leads, and I have already created that template. And in order to show you that, I'm going to once again take you towards Meta for Developers. This is the message template section of WhatsApp Cloud API. How you're going to get here? For that, you have to once again go towards the API setup page. To create your own message template, click here on the hyperlink. When you will do that, it will take you towards the template section. Now these are all the templates which I already have, and this is my template which I have created for mortgage finance company. To create your own template, you have to click on this create template button, and then you have to create your template according to your requirements. Currently my template is in review, so I'm going to open the template and show you. And this is the preview of the message which we are going to send to the lead. Personalized mortgage solutions await. Dear name, or I hope this message finds you well. I noticed that you express interest in mortgage finance through our Facebook lead ad campaign, and I'm thrilled to connect with you. At Easy Mortgage, we understand that finding the right mortgage solution is crucial when it comes to achieving your dream of home ownership. Whether you are first-time buyer looking to refinance or exploring investment opportunities, we are here to guide you every step of the way. From competitive rates to personalized advice, we are committed to providing you with a seamless and stress-free borrowing experience. Would you be available for a brief consultation to discuss your mortgage needs further? Feel free to reply to this message or give us a call at this number to schedule a convenient time to chat. We look forward to the opportunity to assist you in achieving your home ownership goals. Regards, Team Easy Mortgage. So I've entered all the specialities which I'm going to provide, all kind of services we provide, and the description of our business in this particular message. In the same manner, you can frame your message according to your requirements in order to let your leads know that what kind of business and what kind of services you are going to provide to them. I have just framed a basic message, but you can keep your message very attractive in the customized format according to your choice. I have used a variable also over here, that is for name. So wherever in the template we are going to use variables, the detail of that place become dynamic, so it is going to replace with each and every new response. So now whenever a new response will be captured from Facebook lead ads by a new lead, then automatically according to that lead the name is going to be replaced. As much variables as you want to customize your template. Once you will complete your template, you also have to send it for approval, and once it will be approved, you will be able to use it in order to send multiple WhatsApp messages to multiple people. So as here my template is already selected, so now we'll go back and let's check whether the template is approved or not. And yes, here we can find that the template is already approved and is active. So now we can use it. So the template name is selected. As you will select your template name, the language code and the template ID will also be selected over here automatically. Now we have to move forward and we have to provide the recipient mobile number. So on which number we want to send this message? We want to send the message to the Facebook lead. We have already received the number and all other details of our Facebook lead in our earlier response. So we will simply use mapping. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given and here are all the details. We want to map the phone number, so let's select that, and it is mapped over here. So when we have mapped this number, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, it is going to be changed. So whenever a new response will be captured, automatically the number is going to be replaced in this field with a new number, and in this way we are going to send the message to all the leads automatically. Okay, now we have to move forward and we have to enter the body field as well. So body field is the value which we have to use in the place of variable. So I have used only one variable in my template, that is for name. So in the place of value, I'm going to use the name of the lead. So I will simply map the name of the lead over here, and because I have mapped this name, it is also going to change now. So now we are going to click on save and send test request button. But before that, because I have used a dummy phone number over here just to map the data, therefore I'm going to use a real phone number to send a real message. So after entering the real number, I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And we can see that yes, here we have received the response. In the response, it is given that the message status is accepted. This means that the message is sent on the number which we have entered. So let's go and check. And yes, here we can see that the message is received. So in the message, all the details are here, and this is the name of the lead as well. So this means that our connection is absolutely successful. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. We will summarize what we have done over here in the workflow. So we have taken very simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ads, and in action, we have taken WhatsApp Cloud API. And we have set up a connection between these two applications in such a way that now, whenever we are going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads for our mortgage finance company, then automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that same lead regarding all the details and specializations and the services we provide. So in this way, you can very easily create this automation to connect with your leads and to nurture your leads very easily, effectively, and and automatically without much efforts. In your message, you can describe about your business, you can send discount offers, okay? You can tell your leads about the services and the specializations you have, you provide them. You can tell your lead about your services which you provide, what kind of specialities you have, and how you can help them to achieve their dreams, okay? So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.